Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this, I don't know, it's an Amazon wig, y'all. She's red and black. Stay tuned. And welcome back. Okay, so today I'm going to review this wig from Wigbuy. Now, I ordered recently a wig off of Amazon that's a copper wig, and I hope that that's the right one. But while I was there, I thought, you know what? Let's just check out another wig from Amazon. And I spent $24 on her, which is probably $24 too much. But I couldn't resist it. I saw her and I thought, okay, well, maybe she's cute. Maybe she's not. We're gonna see. Okay. Alright, anyway, here she is, you guys. Okay. Now, she is a black and red wig. Black and red. She has this scalp is obviously for $24. You're not getting a real scalp, okay? You're getting that fake plastic scalp. But I thought, you know what? Let's try her out. I will put her information here. This is what the wig looks like. If you like her for possibly Halloween or some sort of a dress up, I don't know, I haven't put her on yet. I'm prejudging. Y'all, I shouldn't do that. Anyway, she should be a real short, hopefully sweet little review here. She has bangs. She has no combs anywhere. Nope. She has that faux scalp, and that is what she looks like on the inside, you guys. But she does have the adjustable straps, which, you know what, we're gonna just say for $24 off of Amazon, it's pretty darn good. Okay? Alright, so let's just, she is soft. She's not coming off as weirdly shiny or anything, though, actually. She's not bad. Right. Let's see. Oh, she's big. Oh. Okay, I don't like the bangs. Like, at all. But I like this hair down here. And I don't feel like you can see any tracks. And this weird skin at the top isn't even, like, that's not even making me angry. You know, I'm not even mad about that. But these bangs are weird. Okay, so I couldn't get over that top. So what I did was I just stuck a headband on her. That doesn't look fake then, really there at all. That actually looks pretty decent. I love the red and black flaming at the bottom. I'm going to turn around here and show you what it looks like in the back. Okay, so you can see, I love that. That is absolutely gorgeous. And then the other side, right? Okay, would I recommend buying this wig for $24 for a headband wig? Maybe. If you like these flames on the bottom, these red and black, I absolutely adore them. That is all I have for you today. Check this girl out if you think you would maybe like to get a $24 wig and make her a headband wig. I would suggest this girl. She's pretty, okay? If you don't want to spend that money on a wig like this, you know what? Don't. You could pass on this girl. But I really like those flames. Okay. If there is a wig that you'd like me to review, please put her information and where I can find her, stuff like that, down in the comment section below, and I'll see what I can do for you. While you're there, please smash like, subscribe, and click the notification button. That way you are alerted every time I upload a video. Okay? Okay, now, as the headband wig, I like her. I will see you guys later. Love you. Bye!